Good evening and welcome to our school's news broadcast. Our team has been working hard to bring you the latest updates and stories from around campus. Let's get started.
Hello, and thanks for joining us on another edition of our school's news broadcast. Our team is dedicated to bringing you accurate and engaging stories that keep you informed about what's happening on campus and in our community.
As the host to our school's news package, I'm excited to deliver the latest updates and stories to our community. I want to make sure that everyone stays informed and connected to what's happening on our campus.
As the host of a talk show, I'm excited to bring our school stories to life through engaging conversations and thought-provoking interviews. I want to create a platform where everyone's voice can be heard.
Don't miss our amazing talk shows every week. We will be bringing you exciting, interactive, and educative shows that will transform your life. Stay tuned.
I'm thrilled to be behind the camera, capturing all the exciting moments of campus life. I can't wait to showcase all the great things our school has to offer. As a camera operator, I take pride in capturing every moment with precision and creativity. My goal is to create content that tells a story and leaves a lasting impact on our viewers.
I am passionate about photography and videography, and I'm excited to use my skills to showcase our school in the best light possible. Being behind the camera is like having a superpower. I love the thrill of capturing the perfect shoot and creating something truly beautiful.
I love how much creativity and freedom there is when working with a camera. I'm excited to use my skills to bring our school stories to life.
I'm passionate about using lighting to create different moods and atmospheres. With the right lighting, we can make any scene look amazing.
I'm excited to bring all the pieces together and create something truly amazing. Editing is where the magic happens. As an editor, my goal is to create something that not only looks great, but also tells a compelling story. I'm excited to bring my creative vision to our school's content.
I'm passionate about video editing, and I love the process of piecing together a great story. I can't wait to see what we can create together as a team.
I love using editing to create something that is greater than the sum of impact. There's something really alluring about seeing all the pieces come together in a cohesive way. I'm excited to use my editing skills to showcase all the great things our school has to offer. I want to create something that will inspire and engage our community.
I'm passionate about capturing high-quality audio that helps bring our videos to life. Sound is such an important part of filmmaking. As a sound engineer, my goal is to create an immersive experience for our viewers. I want them to feel like they are right there with us.
I love the technical side of sound engineering. I'm excited to use my skills to make sure every detail is perfect.
I'm excited to use sound to help tell our school stories. It's amazing how much of a difference sound can make in creating an impactful video. I'm passionate about creating great sound design that enhances our videos. I can't wait to collaborate with the rest of the team to make something truly amazing.
I love crafting stories that are engaging and impactful. As a writer, I want to inspire our school community to their best selves. Words have the power to move people, and I am excited to use my writing skills to make a positive impact on our school's community.
I'm passionate about writing stories that make people feel and think. I want to create content that resonates with our audience and inspires them to take action. I love the challenge. I love crafting stories that inspire and captivate audiences.